What's up guys, today we are here at the new Kit Kat Chocolatory in Sydney and we're going to eat way too much. Let's go! Delicious. You're gonna love it. How's yours, Jet? Pretty good. Time to create our own. Alright, we are back after stuffing our faces with Kit Kat, and you know what we're going to do? Have more Kit Kats. There's some beautiful packaging. Jet likes it. Ooh, look at the back. I think I went for white chocolate, dried strawberries, vanilla biscuit, and coconut flakes.
Yeah, nice.
Okay, I was going to cheers. I like the biscuit. And a little bit of strawberry. I can't really taste the coconut. I like the white chocolate. Good choice. Good job all around, Jet. We're going to try Elise's now. Lovely packaging. Ta-da! Flip it over. Ooh! What's on the back? So we got milk chocolate.
Honeycomb,
like
rice bubbles, and some other crispy caramel.
Salted caramel crispies.
Yeah.
Cheers. The honeycomb is a good choice. And the caramel.
Tastes like dark chocolate.
You also say dark chocolate.
Yeah, I hate dark chocolate.
Mine's good. So it's a win for everyone. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed our little Kit Kat adventure. Definitely would recommend it. Really fun day out. And would recommend you get my version of the Create Your Break instead of Elise's. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you later. Bye. Hey.